Hello everyone. So today I was guided to take a quick tarot card reading, okay, for this group of collective. You will see 1717 if this reading is for you. Also I was getting 1111. That means you are asked to be in your highest self, in your alignment. Let's see what the cards want to tell us. Let's see what the God, gurus, angels, ancestors want to tell us, okay? So take a deep breath in and let's open the cards. You have beautiful cards which are coming up in your life right now, okay, which are 10 of cups, okay. You have your wishes being fulfilled, okay, whether it is personally or professionally, and whether they are collaborations, the right people you are waiting on. You still need to study more information. If you are opening a new business or a vertical, study more about that business. Also get more wisdom in spiritual aspects. If you are somebody who is on the path of sadhana or transformation, you are somebody who is going to give offers. If you are an entrepreneur and or a businessman, and you are somebody, if you are waiting for a job offer, if you have applied for jobs, you will receive the right job opportunity for you, okay. You were kept in this lack mindset, in the trap that you don't have the right skills, that you are good for nothing. You were in this mindset, you were kept in this mindset. Also financially, you must have gone through phases some losses. You must be feeling lonely, but you have hold on to a lot of strength. You've kept a lot of inner strength, okay, the resilience. This August September is relevant for you. This month you have an important decision to make, okay, so make that important decision. And whatever the decision you make, always know that the divine is in your favor, okay. Let's see what else. Okay, there's one card. Yes, I have two Ace of Pentacles, which tells me that whatever you're waiting on, you will receive that. And if you are an entrepreneur, if you want to give opportunities to people out there, you will give that. If you are waiting on for job opportunities or the right people in your life, you will receive that, okay. The collaborations, if you're waiting for some kind of collaborations, you will receive that. Color yellow is of significant. You were somebody who was holding on. Maybe there were people like devil like energies, okay, around you, the toxic, negative, narcissist people, because of whom you were holding on. You were not able to express freely, okay. They made you trap in your own society conditioning mindset. They cheated on you. This is a card of cheating, okay. So they cheated on you, whether financially, personally. So you had to go through the phases of hermit, that is to look within, to understand the knowledge, wisdom, guidance, okay. You also connect with the color blue, that is water or sky is of relevance. But you are somebody who is in your new beginnings, in the newer stages, because this is page of cups. Page of cups means in some initial stages. Maybe you're thinking out of the box now. Maybe you have left all your society conditionings right now, okay. You are thinking in broader perspectives because you have all your wishes coming fulfilled, okay. 9 of cups. You may be seeing 99, 10, 10 also, 77 also, if this reading is for you. People who had devil like tendencies, they are no more. Even if they are there around your energy field, like people who are envious, jealous, don't pay attention to them. But you will have victory in all aspects of your life, okay. So just stay confident, positive. Also the color red could be of significant. Maybe I'm speaking to some divine emperor or the empress, okay. I just wish to take one last card for you, the advice card. Yes, this is an Ace of Wands, again a second yes. So if you are thinking on something, the answer is yes. If you have a question in mind, the answer is yes. Whatever you're thinking, you are thinking as per dharma, because you have evolved, you have grown, you have done the healing work, the inner work, okay. Keep doing that. You are very creative, very passionate person. You may be an Aries, Leo or a Sagittarius. Not necessarily you have to be, but these are the energies which I'm getting. Also the water energies. So I would say just be positive. Trust your inner self, trust the God, trust the divine, because the divine is the one who has helped you till this stage, okay. And from here the journey is very beautiful. Just keep taking the leap of faith. Like I said,